Hello, in this video I'm going to present another example how to find the inverse functions. The first example how to find the inverse function is the function f(x) is equal 3x plus 2, and the equation is find the inverse of the function. I need to find the inverse of the functions. Remember, we got to write here y is equal 3x plus 2. And now I interchange x and y. Now it's going to be x is equal 3y plus 2. I interchange x and y, and I solve my equation for y. Now it's going to be x. This 2 is adding when I move to another side, subtracting 3y, and now I divide by 3, and the answer is divide by 3. Now my inverse function is x minus 2 over 3, and this is my final answer. Then you right here, you substitute the f by y, and now you interchange y and x and solve the equation. This equation you solve for y, and when you solve for y, finally this is my answers. I'm going to do another example. Here is going to be here another example. I had my function now is f(x) is equal x squared minus 3. Now y is x squared minus 3. Interchange x and y. Now x is equal y squared minus 3, and you solve for y. Now I say x, this 3 is here is subtracting. When you move to another side is adding, and now it's y squared. To eliminate the square of the variable y, you find the square root x plus 3 is equal y. Then finally my inverse function is square root x plus 3, and this is my final answer. Another example. We're going to do now with another example. In another example, I have the functions f, let me erase this one. I'm going to change the pen to black. Now this is f(x) is equal x squared plus 2x minus 1, and this is a quadratic functions. When I have the quadratic functions, I recommended to write the quadratic function in vertex form. This is in standard form. I recommended to write in standard form. What I'm going to do, this is f(x) is equal, you have x squared plus 2x, and to do the completed square, you divide 2 divided by 2. To do the completed square is going to be 1, and a 1 squared is 1, and now you add 1 and subtract 1. If you add 1, you need to subtract 1 minus 1. Now this expression here is a perfect square. Now you have x plus this 1 squared minus 1 is 2. Now you write y equal, and you interchange. This is x is equal y plus 1 squared minus 2. Move 2 to the left side is adding now y plus 1 squared, and when you find the square root, you have x plus 2 is equal y plus 1, and when you subtract 1, finally you have square the x plus 2 minus 1 equal y. Then my inverse function is square root x plus 2 minus 1. This is my final answer. This is the final answer. Another example. I have now my function f(x) is square root x plus 1 minus 3. And I need to find my inverse. What is the inverse functions? Now, I change y is equal square root x plus 1 minus 3. Interchange, this is x equal square root y plus 1 minus 3. I need to leave this term completely in the right side. I move 3 to another side. It's going to be adding now. Is equal to square root y plus 1. And to eliminate the square root, you say this to square, and this is to square. And now finally I have x plus 3 square is equal y plus 1. And subtract 1, x plus 3 square is equal here x plus 3 squared minus 1 is equal y. Okay, finally my inverse function is x plus 3 squared minus 1, and this is my final answers. I hope that this video help you to solve the problem. Thank you very much to watch this video. I will see you in another video. My name is Mr. Denies. Thank you very much to watch my video. Subscribe to my channel, and you'll receive the notification when I add a new video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.